Mommy, we do need to.
More? Okay. Say thank you, Daddy.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Okay, I do a picture of you too, okay? I do a picture of you too.
Daddy.
Sit over here. Sit over here with Daddy on the table. And you too.
Right here. My daddy. Daddy. I'm happy. Daddy. He's a climbing boy. He's a ritual boy.
Okay, honey. Keep eating your ice cream.
Me too.
Okay, we're finished. Lo hizo, right? It's good, Olivia?
Have you? Look. I want an orange.
It's good. It's good. Don't put it on the table. Don't put it on the table.
Have you?
Oh, you wanna use the other spoon? Okay, don't get yourself dirty.
Look at Mommy.
You're gonna get yourself dirty, Mama.
Look at Mama.
It's good, Olivia? You love it? Yeah? Which one do you like? The chocolatey?
I like the chocolate. Mom, could we wear him? Could we put on his Paul sweater? Could we put on?
Yes, honey. But not right now, okay?
Okay. Daddy. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Okay.
Ta-da! She's not supposed to be eating ice cream? No?
Not too much, Olivia, honey. She's dropping it.
She's not supposed to eating too much?
Not too much.
And she can't eat ice cream?
Who?
Olivia.
Oh, yeah. She could have ice cream.
Look. You can eat it. She could have ice cream?
You okay? You okay?
And it hurts.
What hurts you?
My daddy.
Show me what hurts on you.
Daddy hurts.
¿Qué te duele, Mami?
Daddy hurts.
¿Qué te duele? What hurts you, Mama? Finish. Come on. No more. Finish. Come on.
Help her.
I don't know what the.
Help
Oh
her.
yeah, you can eat this. Oh my gosh, you got so much ice cream.
No.
She says, have some. Thank you. That's very nice, Olivia.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Thank you.
You okay, Ollie?
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's okay too?
Oh, Daddy, you can't eat that.
I'm helping them.
No, Daddy, you can't eat that. Because then you're gonna get Eat this. Eat it.
That's your favorite spoon, right, Ollie? The orange spoon?